stitch. It's easy, simple, and is pretty. You just need a fabric and a thread and needle, and normally we use on felt. Here I will do a bunting. I will teach how to make a bunting later, but first of all we got to learn how to make the blanket stitch. So basically you put a knot in the end of the thread, and in between the two layers of your fabric or your felt you put the needle, and we hide the knot. Okay, so on the same spot that you put your needle, you will put it again. See here, both sides all together, and you will make loop. So you will come inside, you will put your thread, your needle inside this loop, and you pull, and you will do again like here, and you pull, and you have a small loop here. You can see, you put your needle inside and just pull. I will make you one again, another one, and you have your loop here. Can you see? You just need to put your needle inside and pull, and carry on doing this, or you just can just make like that and go faster if you want. See, my thread is inside the loop, and I just pull and make a perfect blanket stitch. So it will be basically like that, you know. It's easy peasy. Bye.